Hi, I'm Akshita Shah. I'm an interior designer, and you are on Asia Designs channel. This is
Hello.
Darshan.
Hey guys, today we are going to talk about interior designing and how it's been impacted by COVID 19.
Tell about yourself.
So, I am Akshita's husband and quite keen to have this discussion and pick her brains on what she thinks about this whole topic and how it has changed in this world. So, let's start with my first question, okay, which is probably the most important one. Do you think there has been an impact on interior designing, or how interior designers today, like you, think about how to, design a home given the current situation we are all in with COVID-19?
So first of all, let me take you back 1 year back when the whole pandemic started and people were staying at home. Lockdowns were happening. Few couple of months were like enjoyable. Then afterwards, the importance started where people started taking things seriously, where the businesses and work from home, schools, everything were conducted in the same zones. A single space became multifunctional. It became used by kids. It became used by couples and grandmothers and grandpas, and everything came. Every space, every corner, every zone became very important. A single space got divided into zones. Zoning became a big thing to conduct virtual classes. There was a table and chair setting, there was a setting at the dining, there was a setting in the living area. All the areas became very, very important. And designing took a deeper turn. Actually, interior design was at the boom, and it is still at the boom, where people were trying to understand, and the house became more important than ever because now everything is happening from home. So I think designing has never seen this big an impact after pandemic, and due to pandemic it has taken a serious impact. People want to design their houses, they want to get right designs done. They don't want just aesthetics. Now they are more tilting towards the functionality aspect of it. So
Makes sense.
because I know some of my clients were they just bought the home and they were trying to figure out where they can place a desk at the same time and sit at the same time, and also have a acoustical setting where there is no sound coming from other rooms, or where other people are using the same part of the house. So every very important due to pandemic, and interior designing got its meaning. Actually, a deeper meaning came to designing during this time.
Yes, I've heard you say a number of times, right? You say function before form. So it looks like that became more critical, or even more critical now than before.
Yes, function, and function. I would say functionality was the deeper term at this
Okay.
time. Say functionality was the deeper term at this
Okay.
time, and aesthetic took a backseat, a little bit backseat. I would not say completely, because outdoors were getting indoors. People wanted more plants, people wanted to feel fresh, people wanted to design their rooms, giving a plant pot somewhere, or design it in a way where they feel like, okay, they were connected to outdoors.
Okay.
So that was a lot to connect with nature at the same time, where you're not able to go out, but they still wanted to be the part of it.
Makes sense. So let's say you have a new couple and they've just moved to a new home, and they're trying to figure out how to build their living space. What kind of advice would you give them?
So now, after this post-pandemic or during pandemic, if somebody came to me and asked me, like, there were clients who were coming and asking me, since they had no clue, they just moved from an apartment, and I told them that Don't go for matchy. Don't buy too much stuff. Buy stuff that you can use use in multiple ways. Try to create zones.
Okay.
Try to make places more functional, soundproof. I am telling you more generalized idea here because it is a general kind of behavior that was happening.
Okay.
And in particular, if I give you an example, like if they were younger couple and they were kid, so I would say rather take care of create. What are your priorities? How would you set up things? And what do you need in that space? Exactly. Do you need a play area? Do you need a sitting area? Do you need more theatrical feeling? So all those questions I would ask them, and as per their priorities, I would tell them to design the room rather than just aesthetically pleasing rooms.
Makes a lot of sense. Any comments on the, with the pandemic now, sanitization is a pretty critical part of everyone's home. So any advice on how people should think of sanitization?
I think the front entry and the back entry, both the places like the garage entrance and the main entrance have become very critical when sanitization come. So I think I have personally advised people to put sanitizing stations where you can add your boots separately, where you can hang your clothes. There is place to wash your hands, and in the front entrance, of course, there is no place to wash your hands, but there is a place to sanitize your hand and then move forward in the basin area or in the powder room or wherever they can, do their other parts, other rest of the sanitization. But yes, little sanitizing stations are very important now.
Yeah.
It has become important. Adding a station to put your mask away. Even while you're going out, you want your mask. So availability of those things are also very important in your designing.
Absolutely. Great.
Yeah.
Well, thank you. Quite interesting, and I hope others like this too.
I hope I've answered your questions, and I hope viewers who are watching us, they will have an answer to what I want to show them through my designing and through whatever we've been through today, right?
Great.
Thank you so much for watching. This is Akshita. This is Darshan. We are here to help you with interior designs question anytime, anywhere. Asia Designs, subscribe if you like and if you want some more answers to your questions, queries or doubts about interior designing. See you. Chara.
Bye.
Ciao.